For introduction, walking is a simple way to stay healthy. Today, many people use fitness app to track their daily step, and calories burn. It is how daily step related to calories burn by using simple linear regression. By collecting data and analyzing the trend, we can see that more steps lead more calories burned, which is tools like graph and statistical tests help us support our finding through the PBL, process problem based learning. For this,
Hi, my name is Yosna Pitimosarari. It is number 231651, and I'm going to talk about Villa table. Starting with staff, it is expected that having more steps equals to more calorie burned. Steps and calorie burn can be tracked by applications such as Health by iPhone and smartwatches. For ideas, the relationship between steps and calories burned are linear. One person's weight, speed, and age can affect the amount of calorie burned. Graph and regression would help in visualizing and analyzing the data more detailed. Next, learning. How to calculate and interpret linear regression. What is the significance of slope and intercept? How do physiological factors affect the calorie burn? How accurate are the fitness trackers in estimating calories? A. Action plan. First, collect the steps and calorie data from multiple users using fitness tracker apps. Input the data into spreadsheets. Create a scatter plot and draw a line of best fit. Perform a linear regression to find the equation. Interpret the slope as calories per step and intercept as base calories. Lastly, write a summary explaining the relationship.
for the problem background, this project explores relationship between daily step and calories burned. It commonly tracked by fitness app, while many people nowadays assume that more step always mean more calories burned, but actually it's factors like weight, age, speed, and gender affect this link. Using linear simple regression, we can see that the study analyzed data from 8 respondents collected by Google Form. The goal is you can see the step count reliably predict calorie burn. Beyond learning statistics, the project highlight how data and mathematical tool help us to highlight and to improve healthier lifestyle in real life.
So, my name is Alia Shakira Mete Abdul Kadir with metric number AA23602 and I will present the result. This table shows the data we collect for 8 respondents. It contains 4 columns: name, gender, step per day, and calories burned. In this slide, we present the calculation process for a simple linear regression model based on our collected data. First, we organize our data into a table includes the number of steps taken per day x, the number of calories burned y, and initial values such as x squared, y squared, and the product of x and y. After summing up each column, we use those totals to calculate the value need for regression, including the variance of x and y and the covariance between x and y. Using these values, we calculate the slope of the regression line, which tells us how much calorie increase with each additional step taken. Then we calculate the intercept, which estimate how many calories are burned when no steps are taken. From this calculation, we derive the final regression equation, which models the relationship between step and calories burned. Lastly, we calculate the correlation coefficient, which show a strong positive linear relationship. This confirms that as the number of steps increase, the number of calories burned also tends to increase.
Continuing with discussion, we got 8 respondents that have inputted their daily steps and calorie by Google Form. The data that we got, we put in spreadsheet tools such as Google Spreadsheet. The scatter plot showed a positive linear trend, which is more steps generally led to more calorie burned. And we got a hypothesis. The null hypothesis, H0 is beta equals to 0, was rejected. An alternative hypothesis, H1, is beta not equals to 0, was not rejected, confirming a statistically significant relationship. Throughout this PPL process, we apply theoretical knowledge from our statistic course to real-world data, developing technical and analytical skills, and use tools like the filler table to structure our investigation. Ultimately, this project demonstrated how basic statistical method can help interpret health data, support informed decision, and highlight the benefit of regular physical activities.
So, for the conclusion, data is collected from 8 respondents by using Google Form. For graph analysis, x-axis is for daily steps, y-axis is for calories burned, and the result is more steps and equals to more calories burned. For key finding, we can see that every step burns 0.03544 calories. Even 0 step, it still have some calories burned due to body basic function. There is positive linear relationship between step and calories burned. Walking or running help burn more calories, and it's also help understanding the link between physical activities and healthier lifestyle. For the application, we can see that linear regression help us understand the real life habit using data. So that's all from us.